Watch the class 2 girls 800 meters now on track, and this first heat involves the favorite, the 1500 champion from last night. She's already run faster than the champs record, KEVONGAYE, FOWLER of Edwin Allen, and right away she shows her quality storming to the front.
Yeah, Anderson though holding on to her shoulder. KEVONGAYE, FOWLER going down the back stretch. Nice, tall, leggy. The race though comes to almost full stop, but running around them is Mary Kay Murray of Bustamante. Doesn't want any part of that slow pace, so she continues to stretch the pace. KEVONGAYE the chasing pack.
4 sections in this class 2 girls 800 meters, 2:07.74, the record set in 2001 by Carleen Robinson. Wow, such a long time ago. Her sister Camille Robinson was a 400 hurdler.
World Youth silver medalist.
There you go, and World Under 20 bronze medalist as well, and behind Melaine Walker and Lashinda Demas in Kingston in 2002.
Carleen was also a medalist in the 800 meters at World Youth.
There you go. And I remember at one stage, one of them, I'm not sure which one, was coaching at Christiana High. That was probably about 8-9 years ago.
And one is at GC Foster College as the registrar.
You would know that. Down the back straight away they go. KEVONGAYE FOWLER. It's not often that she's in second position in an 800 meter race, but she is. Well, not anymore. Just like that, she is at the front. KEVONGAYE FOWLER. It must have been quite a relief for her to finally win her first champs gold medal last night. So often before, she has been the favorite without being able to deliver when it matters most at this event, because she has been Carifta champion, but she's gotten it right this year at 1500, and now confident, nice and easy down the home straight away. Natovia Robinson of St. Elizabeth Technical in second position. The top 3 sure to advance to the semi-finals, plus the next 4 best on time, so we'll get 16 for the semi-finals, and KEVONGAYE FOWLER leads in the first heat ahead of Natovia Robinson of St. Elizabeth Technical and Nikia Anderson of Excelsior.
Yeah, she's also so confident. She's playing with the field. She got out early, then basically stopped on the back stretch. The pack catched her, and then she moved again, surged again, and basically jogged the first 400 meters and then took control of the race.
Yeah, the back of the vest says Jet Blue, super fast.
Super fast indeed. KEVONGAYE FOWLER of Edwin Allen taking the first section of 4 in the class 2 girls 800 meters.
Yeah, and Ricardo and coach, when you get a semi-final or heat like this, you want to dominate. You want to do as best as you can to run the race at your own pace and let everyone follow you, because you know you are the class act. And Mary Kay Murray of Bustamante tried to push the pace, but KEVONGAYE FOWLER stands about 2 feet taller than her. Well, 2 feet taller than the rest of the field. She's so lengthy with those strides, and she nice running, half-mile running, easy breezy, shake out in this round.
She just has to be careful in terms of getting in the bundle. There's no need for that. She has too much speed and pace.
2 minutes 26.34 for KEVONGAYE FOWLER. Natovia Robinson 2:28.67 for Stets. Nikia Anderson